What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your position in clubs mode FC26. Here's exactly how you can do it. From the main clubs menu, go to My Pro and then enter archetypes. This is where you can manage your archetypes, attributes and overall player build. Now your position in clubs mainly depends on the archetype you select. Each archetype is designed for specific roles on the pitch. To view them, highlight any archetype and select more info. This will show you the suggested positions for that particular build. For example, if you pick a defender archetype and open more info, you will see defensive roles like center back or full back. If you switch to a striker archetype, you will find attacking positions like striker, center forward or even winger depending on the archetype type. Once you choose a new archetype, your position will automatically adjust to match that build. You can also fine-tune your attributes and playstyles to suit your new role. For instance, boost pace and finishing for attacking builds or improve strength and tackling for defensive ones. So in short, to change your position in FC26 clubs, go to My Pro, then enter archetypes, choose a different archetype, check the suggested positions under more info and then adjust your stats to match your preferred playstyle. And that's how you can properly change your position in clubs mode in FC26. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.